So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn any image into a half-tone dot pattern. Now in order to do it you don't need any software, just simply open any of the browser and you can do the same step from your smartphones as well. Now here you have to search for halftonepro.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to the website and let's wait for the site to respond. Once you go over there, all you need to do is just simply click on this option of start app. Once you click on the start app, here just simply upload the image that you want to upload, or you can get the sample images from this left panel as well. And here you can see how the dotted pattern on the image have been generated. You can see you can customize various parameters from here as well, uh, like the amount of the dot pattern you want. In even you can get the stripes as well instead of polygons if you want. Here you can see, if let's just move back to halftones, and you can directly generate anything you want from here. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.